Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase expertise with Codecademy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Codecademy website at codecademy.com. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, explore the course catalog. Identify the programming language or skill you want to improve. Select a relevant course from the list. Review the course description to ensure it aligns with your goals. Start with the introductory lessons to build foundational knowledge. Engage with interactive coding exercises provided in the course. Use the in-browser code editor for hands-on practice. Take notes on key concepts and terminology while you learn. Utilize the community forums to ask questions and share knowledge. Complete quizzes and projects to reinforce your understanding. Set specific goals for the number of lessons you aim to complete weekly. Experiment with the platform's additional resources like articles and videos. Track your progress using Codecademy's dashboard. Seek out advanced courses once you master the basics. Incorporate real-world projects into your learning for practical application. Consider joining a study group or finding a coding partner. Regularly revisit previous lessons to ensure the information sticks. Adjust your learning pace based on your preferences and schedule. Stay curious and explore diverse topics available on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.